Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be doing a breakfast review at A&W. So this is a breakfast review at A&W. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Yes, guys, so for my thoughts on the A&W breakfast review, I must say the breakfast was really good. I had the all-Canadian breakfast, and that was really good. The bacon was done well. The egg was done well. The bread wasn't toasted too dry, and the sausage was good. The tomatoes was nice and firm. It wasn't too soggy. So I really enjoyed that. And I also had the English McMuffin bacon and egger. I'm not sure why they call it egger, but that's the name of it. That too was also done really well. I really enjoyed that. I'm the type of person that's very, particular about, breakfast, because sometimes you go certain place, they don't do the eggs really well. The eggs are undercooked or the bacon is too hard and crispy. But A&W got it right. And I must say, I really did enjoy their breakfast menu with the two items that I mentioned before. So overall, A&W, they did their thing with their breakfast menu, and I must say I did enjoy those two things from the breakfast menu from A&W. So thank you guys from A&W. That was really good. Thank you. And also guys, please leave me a comment down below to let me know if you have A&W in the US. I'm not sure if A&W is in the US, but I was told that they do have A&W there, but I'm not 100% sure. So this is the Canadian A&W, and the breakfast menu was really good. Thank you guys. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.